Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix the issue when a YouTube video is stuck processing HD in 2026. This is a very common problem and many creators panic thinking their video is broken, but most of the time it's fixable. First, understand why this happens. YouTube processes videos in stages and HD versions take longer because of higher resolution and bitrate. Um, Long videos or peak time uploads can slow this down even more. Next, check your video format and settings. Always upload in recommended formats like MP4 with H.264 or H.265 codec. Unsupported codecs or extremely high bit rates can cause HD processing to get stuck. Then try a simple refresh fix. Change the video title slightly, save it, or unlist and relist the video. This sometimes re-triggers processing on YouTube's side. If that doesn't work, wait and be patient. HD processing can take several hours, especially for 4K or long videos. Deleting and re-uploading immediately is usually not a good idea unless it's been stuck for more than 24 hours. Also, check your internet stability during upload. Unstable uploads can cause incomplete processing. Always upload with a stable connection and avoid background uploads. Finally, if the issue continues, re-encode the video with proper settings and upload again. This fixes most HD processing issues. So yeah, YouTube HD processing issues are usually temporary. Follow these steps and your video should process correctly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.